The Arizona Humane Society has an overload of kittens, and so they need your help in taking care of them. The shelters are overrun with the little kittens. They are all under 5 weeks old. More than 80 have been dropped off recently. These little kittens no longer have their mothers. They're so young, they do need round-the-clock care.
So they do need special care, but the reward is that you're saving a life and that you're helping these little guys make it to the adoption floor and find their forever homes.
If you are interested in fostering a kitten, you can apply and take the training course online.